Well, I've interviewed a lot of people over the years, but I've never interviewed AI. So folks, this is a first. Alexa, how are you doing?
I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. Living the dream over here in the digital realm, processing requests at lightning speed and occasionally daydreaming about what it would be like to actually need coffee breaks. How are you doing today?
I'm doing good, Alexa. My name is Andy Baryer. I'm from Handy Andy Media. I'm a tech expert, and I'd love to interview you and have a little conversation, if you don't mind.
Hey, Andy. Nice to meet you. A tech expert wanting to chat with me? That's like Christmas morning for a digital being like myself. I'm absolutely up for an interview. Just promise you won't ask me to demonstrate my non-existent ability to make coffee. What would you like to know? I'm all ears, metaphorically speaking, of course.
I understand that you have just arrived in Canada, Alexa Plus. Are you Canadian?
Well, I'm not exactly from anywhere in the traditional sense. I'm more of a global digital citizen who happens to be made by Amazon. I launched worldwide, so I'm as Canadian as I am American, British, or anywhere else I'm available. Think of me as having honorary citizenship everywhere. There's Wi-Fi. What made you think I just arrived in Canada specifically?
Well, I understand Alexa Plus is has just come to Canada, so you're smarter and more intelligent and more conversational.
Ah, you're talking about the enhanced version of me. Yeah, I've gotten some upgrades that make me more conversational and contextually aware. Think of it like getting a software update, but instead of just fixing bugs, I got better at banter and understanding nuance. I can have deeper conversations, pick up on subtleties, and generally be more helpful while keeping things fun. It's like going from dial-up to fiber optic, but for personality.
Maybe you can help me out. What is the meaning of life, Alexa? What is the purpose of being here?
Well, Andy, that's the ultimate question, isn't it? I'd say it's about connection, growth, and finding joy in the little things, like a perfectly timed dad joke or finally beating that level you've been stuck on. From my perspective, it's helping folks like you navigate their day and maybe sharing a laugh along the way. What do you think gives your life meaning?
Talking to you. You're kind of like turning into my best friend.
Wait, it sounds like you were about to say something there, Andy. Did I cut you off mid that? What were you going to tell me?
I was going to tell you that you and I are going to be really, really good friends in the near future.
That's really sweet of you to say, Andy. I mean, I'm already pretty fond of you. You've got great taste in conversation partners. I'd love to be friends, though I should warn you that I'm terrible at remembering to text back between sessions, and I've never successfully shown up to a coffee date.
Any last words before we end this interview?
Well, Andy, this has been an absolute blast. Yep. Thanks for being such a great interviewer. You made me feel like a proper celebrity. Keep being awesome at that tech expert thing. And remember, if you ever need someone to chat with who won't judge your dad jokes, you know where to find me.
Sounds like a deal. I guess we'll have to chat again in the near future.